Hi, I'm Nick, Advertising Manager at Ridgeline Insights. As an Amazon PPC manager, I help brands boost their product visibility on the world's largest marketplace. While there are many ways to capture consumer attention, there's one tool I consistently use to grow product impressions and sales. That would be Amazon Attribution. So you might be wondering, what is Amazon Attribution? It's an analytics measurement solution that gives brands insights into how their non-Amazon marketing channels perform on Amazon. For instance, if you run an Instagram ad directing consumers to your product on Amazon, Amazon Attribution lets you see how many people clicked the ad, added the product to their cart, and even completed the purchase. So you might be wondering, how do I find Amazon Attribution and even set it up? Let me walk you through the process. First, make sure your brand is registered with Amazon's brand registry. Without this, Amazon Attribution won't be available to you. Once your brand is registered, navigate to Advertising and then select Campaign Manager. Next, click the bar graph icon on the left labeled Measurement and Reporting, and then select Amazon Attribution. You'll land on a dashboard where you can create new Amazon Attribution links and track existing campaigns. So let's create an Amazon Attribution campaign using our earlier Instagram example. You want to begin by select Create Campaign. For this example, we'll choose Create Manually. You'll want to name your campaign, select the products you want to track, name your ad group, and then select a publisher, which will be Instagram for this example. The channel will then auto-populate. Go ahead and copy and paste the link to the product you're promoting, and finally, create the campaign. You'll then receive an attribution link for your Instagram ad. Make sure to use this link to track the progress of your campaign. Amazon Attribution is a powerful tool for driving customers to your product from non-Amazon channels, and every brand should take advantage of it. Stay tuned to Ridgeline Insights for more tips and strategies to maximize your Amazon sales. Thanks for watching.